All right, guys, so we stopped back at Taco Bell. Wanted to try some of their other new items that I haven't tried yet. So first off, we do have their pepper jack steak nachos. This is $5.99. Comes with steak, pico de gallo, 3 cheese blend, nacho cheese, and that pepper jack cheese sauce. This, oh man, this smells really good. Nacho Fries have come a long way. They've been doing really good with these. That steak is nice and tender. Wasn't expecting that. Look at that. That cheese sauce. That's awesome. I hope they keep that. And pico de gallo. Everything works really well with these nachos. So this is a crispy Chipotle melt burrito. This is $5.99. This does come with crispy chicken strips. It does have cheese, avocado ranch, Chipotle bacon, and I forgot to tell them to leave out the lettuce. This really isn't bad. You can see the chicken strips in there. That avocado ranch, that Chipotle bacon. Everything's good on here. The only thing I don't like, these chicken strips here, they're just a little bit dry. That's a good burrito. I do like that. So for this burrito, I do like it. I just wish that the little chicken strips in there wasn't so dry. All right, next up we do have the Cantina chicken sop taco. This was $3.39. So this does have the pico, lettuce, the Cantina chicken, and cheese. All right, guys, so I was having some issues, technical difficulties, trying to film this in my car, so I'm trying to finish this video here at the house. I absolutely loved everything on the menu that I had. Please hit that like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.